Creating a quiz is a two-step process. First, you make an empty quiz, then you add the questions. I'm going to put a mythology quiz in my Mythology of Sea Monsters section. So I'm going to click Add an Activity or Resource. I'm going to go find Quiz, and I'm going to click Add. Okay, this is Mythology Quiz. Just need a name. Now, there's other things I can do. Let me have a look at them. Timing. I can set start and end dates for my quiz. I can set a duration for my quiz. Maybe I want them to have 20 minutes. Yeah, let's leave it at 20 minutes. You got 20 minutes to do this quiz. Okay, when time expires, there's a bunch of choices. The really nasty one, if they don't submit the quiz, click the submit button before the time runs out, they get 0. I don't do that. I say if time runs out, submit what you got. Okay, timing. Grade. You do how many points the quiz is worth once you set up the quiz. This is more about how many attempts they get at the quiz. Big stakes final, 1 attempt. I'm using this more as a practice. So they have unlimited attempts. Layout. Do the questions appear in the same order for everyone, or do I shuffle the questions? I'm going to leave them in the same order. I like to put a new page every 5 questions. Why this matters is because Moodle only saves your answers when you go to a new page. So if you were to do the whole quiz on one page, and run out of time, it would submit it and you'd get 0. So every time you change the page, you get it saves your work till then. So that's a good practice there. Question behavior. Do I want to shuffle the order of the responses within the question? So question 3, the answer for you is B, the answer for me is C. That's probably a good idea. There's a whole bunch of choices about how we give feedback when the quiz is over. Leave it on the default for now, deferred feedback. It's a little bit baffling to try and make sense of the rest of those things. Okay, review options is what the students can see. This during the attempt, that's if you're doing like an interactive where it gives you another chance to get the right answer with penalty points. Mostly I leave this all alone. As soon as they've done the quiz, I show them everything. But if you're really particular about keeping things secret, you can just release their marks or feedback, or there's a whole bunch of choices there for how you let students know how they've done after they finish the quiz. Anything in appearance? No, we don't care about that. We don't care about that. Save and return to course. Okay, so I built the quiz. Now let's get into the tricky part and build some questions to put in the quiz.